Operating a bulldozer during an active snowstorm is no small feat. Visibility can be limited to just a few feet. Temperatures can plunge well below zero, and the snow itself can range from light and fluffy to heavy and icy. Skilled operators are trained to read the snow's texture and density, anticipate wind patterns that could create drifts, and identify safe dumping locations to avoid future blockages or flooding. Bulldozers are also essential in creating access for emergency vehicles. When ambulances or fire trucks can't reach affected areas due to snow buildup, bulldozers are often the first machines in to clear a path. They are also deployed to reopen key infrastructure routes, such as highways and railways, as quickly as possible. Real-world example: bulldozers in action.